What's up, guys? Ethan here. This is a 360 test to see if your speakers can actually have 360 surround hearing. So, if you have surround sound, turn it on right now, because this will probably change the speakers. So, 3, 2, 1. Test number 2 in 3, 2, 1. All right, that's the tests for now. If you hear anything, by the way, turn surround sound on. Yeah. If you hear 360 noise, good. You have surround sound. Good job.